Van, Teds. Go into the van. Get to the van. Up. So we're back up on Mill Hill in Sussex. I did do a video from here with a dog called Marley many moons ago. It's a lovely spot in the Florida. We used to be able to get through the bollards to the car park here, but we have just parked up one further down the track earlier. I'm just driving towards Trueley Hill, which I will take the drone up and fly one day, but I'm nearly out of battery today, so just enjoying the view with a coffee, with what's left of the coffee. It's pretty panoramic up here, all the way over there to Brighton. Can't quite see. Oh yeah, you've got the I360 over the hill. The Shoreham Power Station. Great views down to Grampian Wind Farm. Quite a lot of sailing action going on out to sea. And the Shoreham Airport just there. So quite a few planes going up early. Just trying a bit of drone footage with Litchi on the Mavic Mini. Since the APK was released, we're now able to fly it like a much more expensive drone. So it's the first time I tried Follow Me, driving carefully up the quiet lane with other vehicles around, but the drone well enough out of the way and the controller down there within easy reach to pause the video if I needed to. So we'll see how it looks. It's time to head back down, really, Ted. Fix the handbrake. The handbrake stopped working again. And you had a nice walk. Did you have a nice run around, Tedster?